My Bosch classixx 1200 Express is showing F21, but when I try to turn to spin it still displays F21, and none of the other buttons lightbupmir do anything, so I cannot press the spin button. Help please.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. F21 relates to a motor or control board fault. It's very common for worn carbon brushes in the motor to also cause this. But let's try resetting it first and see if it's just a one-off. To reset it, turn the appliance knob to the off or reset position, 12 o'clock. Turn the knob to the 6 o'clock position. Press and hold the spin reduce button. Whilst holding it, turn the knob to the 7 o'clock position. Continue holding the spin reduce button for about 5 seconds. Release the button. Turn the knob to off. When you turn it back on, it should have cleared the error code. But if the fault comes back on again, then you need to remove the motor and check the carbon brushes in the back of it and replace it worn. Let me know how it goes. Regards.
Where is the pin reduce button? No other buttons lighting up or letting me click on them.
The spin reduce button is usually under the spin LEDs on the panel. If not, can you post the model number of the washer please? Does this model have the dial on it? If so, try the above, and it doesn't matter if no lights are lighting up. Just press and hold that spin reduce button while turning the dial. Regards.
Do not get any purchase whilst holding this button. It does not move at all, but even if I hold as you say and then complete your instructions, the F21 fault is still showing.
Can you post the model number of the washer then please, so I can get the service info up so I can see what controls you have? The model number is a sticker on the inside of the door and start near regards.
ENR We24363GB/02FD ###.
Thanks for that. The spin reduce button is the button under the rinse hold light. So it's just a case of pressing this, and when you turn the dial now it won't click or anything. I found a clip on YouTube that shows how to reset it. I know the front panel is different, but the way it's done is the same. Click here, have a look at that at the way it's done and try it on yours and see what happens. If it's still not working and it's flashing the F21 error code, then you need to check the motor and the carbon brushes, as it's still picking the fault up, so that could be why it's not resetting. So once you found the fault and fixed it, then you should be able to reset it from there then. Regards.
Thanks, sure how, but pressed the buttons a few times and now it's working, so thank you. Will this happen a lot now? Should I get an engineer to look at the motor, or is it a one-off thing?
Glad to hear you cleared it. Fingers crossed it's a one-off, but if it is faulty then the code will come back on the next time you use it. If it does, then you will need to get the motor checked out and have the carbon brushes replaced, as it's usually them that cause the error code. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.